Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 solid sterling silver, 6 top, 6 bottom teeth, diamond dust finish. Check that out. Beautiful teeth grill set, guys. It's designed for a perfect fit, made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. Beautifully designed, high attention to detail, guys. Look at that detail. Beautiful grills. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. It's handmade. This is not a pre-made set. These snap right on the teeth. Check that out. There's the back side. Snaps right on the teeth. Fits like a glove, guys. Available on our website, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.